welcome back to Miss Diaz Every Channel with Miss Diaz. Okay, we've talked a lot about writing, then now we will talk about peer editing. Oh, what is peer editing, Miss? What makes this step important in writing? Okay, let's go through the thing. Okay, what is peer editing? Maybe this is the first time you listen to peer editing. Okay, peer editing is an action of showing your work or your writing or your paragraph, your essay to another student to be commented. Okay, after you maybe in drafting step, and then you do editing on yours, and then after that you think that you need somebody to do kind of proofread your paragraph or your essay. Yeah, you need someone to do peer editing. Okay, in this case, you do peer editing. Ask your friend, you show your writing to your friend and ask them to comment on your essay or your paragraph. Okay, or your writing, whatever kind of writing. The process is like this: you read your partner's writing, and your partner read yours. Okay, you exchange your paper, your writing, and then you do the same to your friend's writing. Your friend do for you, and then you do for your friend. Okay, and then after that, your partner comments on your writing, and you comment on your partner's writing. After you read you and your partner reads your writing, your each other writing, and then you give comment about the writing. Okay, that's called peer editing process. Okay, this is the example of doing peer editing. This one. Okay, can you make this stronger? For example, you underline something or circle something, and then give comment on that. Okay, you don't cross it, just underline it and give comment on that. Okay, don't say it wrong or something, just give comment. Okay, everything back to your friends, whether will use your suggestion or not. Okay, this is the example of doing it. Yeah, and then maybe you ask me, why should we do peer writing? Why do writers do peer writing? Okay, this is the reason. At least you have two reasons. Okay, the first one, getting readers' opinion about your writing, as if your friend is your first reader. Yeah, so you will get a point of view from your reader. Oh, if he or she is your reader, maybe the comment of the reader will be like your friend. Okay, you can kind of give it get feedback from them, after doing peer editing. And then the second reason is getting more examples of writing. Another thing that you can get from your peer, your friend, is examples, because you read the writing. You read it means that you have example, inspiration, maybe you can see how people write something, how people express an idea to writing. Okay, maybe it's the way is different like yours, or you can get the example. Maybe you can adopt it to your the way you write something. Learn from them. Okay, you get the opinion and you get example. Okay, that's why we need to have peer editing. Okay, then your question, how do I peer edit? How to do peer editing? Okay, as I said previously, the first thing that you need to do is read your partner's paper several times, not only once, but several times. Okay, because when you read only once at once, okay, it means that you are not internalize your friend's writing. Maybe you will find so many mistakes, but after you read it several times, you will understand, oh, the meaning of this sentence like this. Oh, why your friend put the sentence here is because of this. And then how after you read it several times, go more slowly and look at specific parts and make notes. Okay, after you read it, don't forget to put some notes. Yeah, put some notes. um, Not only underline it and just left it like that. Let your friend think about what's wrong with my writing. No, give comment. What do you mean by that underline or your circle or something on their paper? Okay, you can write something, or if you type it, you can give comment on that. Yeah, and then the third, pay attention to the content and organization. Yeah, you need to underline this. In peer editing, you don't do correction or find mistake on grammar thing or something. There is a mechanic thing. You only give comment or give suggestion or give your opinion about the content and organization. Okay, um, maybe that's all that you need to do in peer editing. You can do exercise on this example. Maybe you can, as if this is your friend paragraph, and then what will you comment on this paragraph? Tell me on the comment box below. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you.